One motion picture will bring you all the surprises that life and love can offer.
You are the loveliest girls I ever set eyes on. Can you not get them married, Mrs. Dashwood?
Marianne and Eleanor, as different as two sisters can be.
Do you love him? I do not attempt to deny that I think very highly of him, that I greatly esteem him.
Esteem him? Like him?
Eleanor is not like you or me, dear. She does not like to be swayed by her emotions.
Columbia Pictures invites you
The more I know of the world, the more I am convinced that I shall never see a man whom I can truly love.
to fall deeply
Marianne, you must change. You will catch a cold.
What care I for colds when there is such a man?
You will care very much when your nose swells up.
You are right. Help me, Eleanor.
to feel intensely
There's something of great importance that I need to tell you about.
Why did you not urge him to stay?
He must have had his reasons for going.
I do not understand her, Mamma. Why does she never mention Edward?
Eleanor, where is your heart?
to surrender completely
Your sister seems very happy.
Do you think he'll kneel down when he asks her? They always kneel down.
to risk everything
We know so little of him.
What is it you suspect him of?
Willoughby!
from Jane Austen's timeless classic
There's some blue sky. Let us chase it!
comes a motion picture beyond all expectations. Academy Award winner Emma Thompson, Alan Rickman, Kate Winslet, and Hugh Grant. Sense and Sensibility.
Find out more about Disney movies and videos. Just type in Disney.com, the #1 family site on the web. Click on the Movies channel and go to Video and DVD for the latest information on new releases, coming attractions, special offers, and more. To see it all, come to where the magic lives online. Be our guest at Disney.com.
Gentlemen, all right, let's keep the fires hot, baby.
Right there. Where you going?
Look, I just want to talk to Mr. Brown, all right?
Mr. Brown's not here.
Upstairs. He owns the joint, right? Come on, man. Look,
Get the fuck out of here.
You missed. Oh, hate that. You ain't learned yet, have you, huh? Yo, Mr. Brown, you got a disgruntled employee back there.
Kick his fucking...
Look, I told you was gonna get the money, right? Hey, man, come here. Hey, come on. Hey,
Who the hell are you
on me,
coming in
man?
here like that? Stop fucking around! I want him dead! Bring him over here. I'll kill him my fucking self. You got big balls? I'll cut him off for you. What the hell are you doing? I want your pussy! God damn it!
You know, we are not getting along.
Come on, bitch. You want some
Bitch,
meat?
we call him. Come on. Fucking. get your money, then you will. If anything happens to my brother, you understand me? Yeah. Oh yeah. Who you calling nigga?